from now where you are going to be, we are concerned. So as an education institution, we are more concerned on your future paradigm. How do you going to make that USP in you as law graduates or business management or whatever the degrees you are holding, or tourism students, financial management, what you are going to do? One of the global study conducted says about the possibilities of CEOs in the world. Only 15% of the firms or organizations of US and Asia believe that they have enough qualified successors. Only 15%. The reverse is 85% of the organizations are looking for CEOs, right successors to run the organizations. In Europe, 30% is available. There is a gap of 70%. So you have a great opportunity to become CEOs. You have a great opportunity just in front of you. But what is the right quality, not the qualification, right quality for it to grow? That is the most important thing. So when we were trying to train you here, somewhere or other we are trying with that holistic education, blending academics with co-curricular and extracurricular activities, asking you to organize wonderful programs looking into that. The possibility of you as Asians, the possibility of you as global citizens are wonderful. So it's a person's ability to grow and handle responsibilities to a greater scale and hope make you what you are. By greater scale means a job in the same area, maybe with a larger budget and staff. Greater scope means a job involving activities of substantially more breadth and complexities. So what is required to come in the ladder of your career? Most important thing is the ability to learn quickly on the job, genuine interest in bordering the scope, and willingness to take extra work on short notice, very important. Willingness to take extra work on short notice. Most important thing for me, if I am a CEO looking for my successor, what I have to look? The ability, the potential, what I have to call the executive potential. And that depends on the motivation of the individual. You may be looking for a future. Some of you may be saying that my job is not sufficient. My job is not making sufficient money for me. But much more than money, there are certain other qualities. How you people take care of the growth and the happiness in the other person. Does that person get satisfaction from others being successful? Are you getting satisfaction in the success of the other? If you are in an organization, are you celebrating the success of the other, not the success of you? If you are celebrating the success of the other, you are reaching to the other person. Then, does that person demonstrate a passion for the organization's mission or personal reward? How do you respond? Which is important, you or the organization? First, celebrate the victory of your organization. That means people. Second, always go an extra mile for the organization. So if you people are able to do, that's the thing we were trying through our training. That is the motivation. That is openness. That is why Jim Collins, in his famous book, Good to Great, says what an executive requires is humility. He's not talking on any religious-based background. Humility to the core, to open and learn. So as executives, if you have that potential to grow, have that humility. Not just that humility alone, will, professional will. These are the two poles. When you have humility, you should have will. These are the two poles of a system. One is south, the other one is north. But how do you blend that? Humility with a determination that makes you what you are. Celebrate the victory of others of your new organization, even if you are going to lose. A day will come, you will be picked as CEOs. Look the organizational commitment as the most important thing than your career. A day will come, maybe after 10 years or 15 years, you will be picked up as a CEO or made in a good place because your motivation is for the organization. Your challenge is to develop other people. And a positive impact on others for the good of the organization is a key predictor of the executive potential of an organization. At Christ University, we were trying to prepare you academically, intellectually, emotionally, and all the more spiritually as contented people. As we believe in India, as Indians, we have to nurture everything. End of the day, the internal happiness makes us people wonderful. I was talking in the morning about Martin Seligman, who was talking on the positive psychology. What our life is not only just happiness we are getting from personal happiness. What is that personal happiness? If we may love a car or a house or anything, so that is only a personal life. From that personal life, we may move to engaged life. We may be growing with our skills, with our talents, but most important thing is meaningful life. Where meaningful life, 80% of the time, we are concerned on organization. Yes, you Christites, you are all trained to be for that vision of the institution, excellence and service. Have that passion to develop others and develop your organization. Success is definitely going to be yours. All the best. May God bless you abundantly. I have the honor to request you, Father Chancellor, to declare the convocation ceremony open.
This convocation ceremony of Christ University has been called to give the degree certificates to candidates who, the examinations held for a purpose, have been certified to be worthy of the same. I declare the convocation ceremony open. Let the candidates for the various PhD programs, MPhil courses, postgraduate and undergraduate programs of the Deanery of Commerce, Management and Law be presented in that order.
I now call upon the Controller of Examinations, Professor Johnny Joseph, to present the candidates for degrees to the Honorable Chancellor. I request all the students to please stand up.
Father Chancellor, I wish to present to you the candidates named in the list for the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Commerce, Master of Tourism Administration, Master of Financial Management, Master of Business Administration, Master of Philosophy, Bachelor of Law, Master of Law, and Postgraduate Diploma in Management. They have been examined and found qualified for the said degrees, to which I pray they may be admitted. All the students may please be seated. Now I invite Dr. Srikanta Swami to read out the names of the candidates in Doctor of Philosophy.
I request the candidates of PhD in English and Mathematics to receive their doctoral degree certificates from the Chancellor according to their turn. Shaji K. Damodaran, Doctor of Philosophy in English. Arun Kumar N, Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics. Kiran R.V., Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics. Soya Matthew, Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics. Nisha Mary Thomas, Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics. Smita S. Nagowda, Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics. Malika Krishnaswamy, Doctor of Philosophy in English. Now I request Professor Nithil Vincent to continue.
I request the candidates of MPhil in Commerce and of Master of Commerce to receive their graduation certificates from the Chancellor according to their turn. MPhil in Commerce, Shruti Jose, Priyakshi Datta. Master of Commerce, Abhilash VC, Anant Terry De Silva, Ananta Padmanabha N, Ankit J.K., Arun A. Agnihotri, John Vendrapalli, Jose Syriac, Matthews K. Joy, Mohammad Irshad, Phyllis V. Francis, Pradeep V, Rijo Jacob, Santosh Jose, Saurabh Jain, Subrata Roy, Sujit Apaya M, Sujoy Blaze Korea, Teju L.N., Vinod Kumar M., Amrita Wilson, Anjali N. Monsi, Archana S., Ardra Miriam John, Arundhati D.M., Bhavna Balaji, Diona Matthew, Divya E, Divya Shri V, Gayatri Krishnan C, Hitashri Raghuram, Jeetu Elizabeth J, Kanika Hegde, Kiran Mariam, Lindsay Osif, Maria Babu, Merlin Jacob, Nikita Rose Wilson, Ninu Maria Joy, Nisha Venkatesh, Ponnu John, Priyanka G, Rashmita Burman is the rank holder with a CGPA of 3.51 and an aggregate of 74.38%. Sarah Swarnalatha, Sharanya M, Sharvari SK, Sheena Devasundar, Sonia Maria James, Tenzin Dolkar, Tenzin Needham, Siring Wangmo, Vanaja R, Deepak D, Clara M. Fernandez. I now request Dr. Tommy Kalarikal to continue.
I request the candidates of MPhil in Tourism and Master of Tourism Administration to receive their graduation certificates from the Chancellor according to their turn. MPhil in Tourism, Nagarjuna G. Emilda K. Joseph, Shilpa Matachan, Ritu Bijoy, Ponni Thomas, Master of Tourism Administration, A. Selvakumar, Amrit M.G., Vishal Aran, Linjo Johnson, Madhusudan C.R., Pranav Ashok Faide, Gaurav Kumar, Solomon Simon, Vishnu R., Ambiga Gadal, Archana P., Diksha Nanaya, Deva Adhikari, Kiran Dadlani, Maria Divya Chetana, Marlene Kuriakos, Nalini Chetri, Namrata Banerjee, Neelam Kumari Soni, Neha S., Neha Prasad A.R., Nikhila Shaju, Ontrila Chaudhary, Pooja Sharma, Pinroy Karpuri, Ronita R., Salmachi Momin, Saloni Katia, Sandhya H. She has topped the class with a CGPA of 3.76 and 78.98%. Sajana Jose V. Suriti Abrol, Anish P. Aloysius, Chajob Lowang, Nirmal C. Makal, and Solakim Shu. I now request Dr. Jane Matthew to continue.
I request the candidates of Master Financial Management and Master Business Administration Executive to receive their graduation certificate from the Chancellor according to their turn. Anjan Chakrabarti, Ashutosh Kataruka, Joji George Abraham, M. Kishan, Nitin Varghese Nainan, Shashank Salil, Shamnath D, Stalin B, William George, Abhilasha Kakal, Annie Vinci Arakel, Barka N. Kripalni, Chaitra S, Chetana Sharma, Deepthi Kiran, Kokila N. She tops the class with 79.7% and CGPA of 3.85. Namrata Nayak H, Nandini K.S., Nandita Chakrabarti, Nihar Dugar, Renu Maria Anthony, Sandhya Bharati D.R., Sonika Agarwal, Sujasmita Chandra, Tanisha Susan Thomas, Tangam Elizabeth Umman, Prayag Machanidi, Shaiba Gupta, Yashasvi S, Job Kurian, Shriya A.M., Arpit Srivastav, Nirvigna Khadambi, Kevin Thomas Jacob, Vinuta D.P., Mahesh S., Angit Kumar Gupta, and Nitish Sharma. MBA Executive, Abel Abraham Matthew, Bharat S.V., Charles Melvin J., Chetan C. Naik, Dinesh Vinayak, Hidrom Chandriska Singh, Jeremy V. Kurian, Logender Singh, Monsi E., Naveen Kumar G., Nikit Alex Nainan, Sandeep Thomas Charles, Shanu George Matthew, Shinoj P.N., Priyanka Charles, Rupa Anavekar, Steffi Xavier, Ebi Jacob Abraham, Ahmad Shamim M.H., Martin Paul, Anna Alex, Deepika, Nikhil Shetty, Maria Alfonsa Tinsi, Deepika B., Colonel Ajay Dhawan, Colonel Ajay Dhawan tops the class with 74%, 95% and CGPA of 3.55. Ramakrishna Channareddy. Now I invite Professor Gadiali to continue.
C.B. Joseph, Vinu Wilson, Asha Sara Mamen, Vidisa Sharkar, Jayashri Kuneya, Lopamutra Panda, Samhitra Rajashekara, Varsha Agarwal, and Ruchika Gupta. Master of Business Administration, A.J. Praveen Babu, Asim Noor Alam, Abhinav Aditya Sharma, Abhishek Bisen, Abhinandan R., Akhil P. Michael, Bhargava Manikanta Sonti, Vishwanath Pandey, Bopanna M.M., Chalavadi Savi Kumar, Devang Kataria, Emil George, Harish Bhima Nilajkar, Harjit Singh Bandal, Himanshu Puri, Imiti Setti Ramkumar, Jugal Prakash Agarwal, Karthik Srinivas Reddy V, M.N. Karthik, Manju Sudarshan B, Mufaddal Fazal Hussain Nimakwala, Pramit Guha, Ralston John Fernandez, S. Muthukumar, Sahil Kothari, Shabir C.P., Shashank Yadav, Siddharth Jain, Saurabh Dani Saji, Sudipta Shekhar De, Sujit P. Jose, Vignesh V.K., Aditya Ravi, Adviti Dilip, अनिंदिता नाथ, अपर्णा अजित, अपर्णा राजीव, आशीना ठाकुर, आईवी दास, मोनिका सिंह, प्राची मोदी, स्नेहा झा, श्री वर्षा नदेला, टी किरुथिक्का देवी, सुप्रिया एस, स्वाति प्रसाद. I now request Dr. Jivanand to continue.
Section B, Abhinav Kumar, Abhinav Vishwakarma, Ajit K, Akhilesh Miglani, Akshay Kumar Sanwal, Amit Kumar Samal, Anish S, Ankush Kumar Singh, Anupam Sharma, David John, G. Rahul, Ganapati B.S.,